Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Afan Carpet and Handicrafts. Tonight we have brought you an old saddleback, pillow, mattress, chair as you can use it. It's an old carpet saddleback, or you can use it as a chair. You can put inside of it cotton, or you can put inside of it some things to transport it, to transfer to somewhere. It's an old handmade carpet saddleback. You can see these are carpets, and it is about 70 or 60 years old. You can see, you can put inside here a cotton. You can use it as a mattress or as a chair, or you can put here inside some stuff, some things to transfer from one place to another place.